What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a crazy video for you guys today. This may be the end of Uber and Lyft. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the best app out there for gig workers. It gets you guaranteed pay, and on top of that, our viewers are gonna get $10 just for signing up using the link in the description below. So check that out, guys, and let's jump into the video. The Federal Trade Commission just said that it is planning to crack down on the exploitation of gig workers whom the agency said are entitled to protection regardless of their worker classification. And if there's anything Uber and Lyft doesn't do, they don't protect you, God forbid. Commission adopted a policy statement that details issues gig workers face, including deceptive claims about their wages and hours. Oh yeah, come work for Uber and Lyft, you'll make $35 an hour. Or as Dara said, our drivers make $45 an hour on utilized hours. Unfair contract terms and more. And also what they plan to do about it. Though the commission did not mention any companies by name, the message is clear. It plans to hold gig work mainstays like Uber and Lyft, DoorDash, etc. accountable for the promises they make to potential workers and how they treat the ride-hailing drivers and delivery workers who use their platforms. Gig companies consider their workers independent contractors and have fought to keep doing so. President Joe Biden campaigned on addressing worker misclassification, although he did like nothing about it, but you know, whatever. This is the first action under his administration that specifically promises enforcement over gig companies' treatment of their workers. Again, we never really saw anything from that. Nice words, but we never saw anything about it. No matter how gig companies choose to classify them, gig workers are consumers entitled to protection under the laws we enforce, said Samuel Levine, director of the FTC's Bureau of Consumer Protection. I mean, all of that's true, and this is a little bit of a different issue than what we've seen in the past. See, in the past, it's always been to get us classified as employees. Now they're saying, like, look, you guys have made these blatant claims to your drivers, and none of them are being upheld. And you really can't do that. So I'm really, really curious to see what happens with this one. A lot of these cases in the past for the employee stuff, I knew nothing would ever happen with that. And in fairness, I didn't really want anything to happen with that. I like my freedom, I like my flexibility. Regardless of what the pay is, I can still use it to supplement income or for other reasons. I don't want to have any type of requirements for the hours I work, the areas I work, and all the BS that would happen if we were employees. But this is different. Because this means some serious repercussions could be passed down on them for not upholding the promises they made on us, for us. And we all know they're not exactly cash positive, even though, again, Dara gets on TV and says they are. Well, you're negative every quarter. So what happens if they take a really big hit, where some really serious action is paid out to us? I'd be more than happy to take some of their money that they don't have. But I think you guys get what I'm saying. So it'll be interesting to see what'll happen. We'll definitely keep covering this as we get more details. Let us know your guys' thoughts in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Definitely check out Solo, linked in the description below. Get your free $10 for signing up, and stay tuned for more updates.